It's probably the last chance to get Watch Dogs 2 and the other rewards related to the Ubisoft Forward event. This is your last chance. If you haven't claimed it yet, and if you hadn't got in your Uplay library after claiming it also, this is your last chance. Firstly, I would like to talk about two scenarios. Firstly, if you haven't claimed it at all, then the redeem now button is still active. You can go on and redeem now because this link is going to expire. This offer is going to expire by morning Indian Standard Time. And second scenario, you have claimed it, but you are yet to get Watch Dogs 2 and the other stuffs in your Uplay library. Still, you haven't got it. For them, for those people, weekend is the last time. But I still recommend now because it's the last time, it's the last chance, it's the last scenario. I recommend that you try creating at least two accounts. And for your second account, what you do, you connect your different internet. Like for I see example that if you have a different Wi-Fi connection, like you use your home Wi-Fi, and for a second redeem now, when you use a second redeem now, you use your mobile internet as a hotspot. In both the cases the IP would be different, or at least the internet provider would be different. In that way, if you do redeem it now, it will still give you a chance to get Watch Dogs 2, because this redeem now button from tomorrow there would not be there. And yes, Ubisoft has said that by weekend or by last Sunday, this Sunday, they would be deploying and giving Watch Dogs to everyone all over the world. Still, I'm getting comments from a lot of people from India, from South Africa. A lot of people are commenting that they haven't got Watch Dogs 2 still. So this video is for you. Hopefully this video will solve, and after watching this video you do not have to watch anything else, because this is your last chance. Try this tips and tricks, and hopefully by Sunday, if you haven't got Watch Dogs 2 in your Uplay library, you will get it, because currently they are giving it to everyone, and this is the first time they are extending it so much because they want everyone to give Watch Dogs 2. And I know that instantly it is not getting updated in your library, it is taking time. But if you, after claiming also, if you're not getting it, my advice is now that create multiple accounts, create at least two accounts with different internet connection. That will definitely work. And hopefully, as I'm talking, by Sunday you would be sending me screenshots of Watch Dogs 2 on my Instagram page. Hopefully that would be happening. So hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to join the future of gaming, subscribe my channel. See you, bye bye, take care, keep gaming.